Hi, welcome to Knights Motor Company. My name is Rajiv and we are located approximately 15-20 minutes from junction 3 of the M25 on the southeast London-Kent border. Today I'm going to present to you this exceptional, very low mileage Mini 2-litre Cooper S. This is a 2017 with only 25,000 miles on the clock. It's had 2 owners from new, it's got great service history, and it comes particularly well spec'd. It has the very, very rare twin panoramic sunroofs alongside many more options. Now, let's get on with presenting you the car. Today I'm delighted to present this exceptional 2017 Mini Cooper S 3-door hatchback powered by the lively 2-litre petrol engine. Finished in stunning midnight black metallic, is complemented perfectly by the highly desirable carbon black cross-punch leather sport seats. With just 25,000 miles covered, this superb example has had only 2 owners from new, with the most recent lady keeper having cherished the car for over 7 years. Here you can really see how the optional 17-inch Cosmos spoke alloy wheels, combined with the rear privacy glass, give the car a striking and purposeful stance. Inside the cabin is finished with elegant piano black interior trim, accented by the red colour line, adding a sporty yet refined touch throughout. It also features the desirable chili pack with customizable LED ambient lighting and the illuminated center display ring, adding a modern premium feel to the cabin. And as we move back from the supportive front sports seats, we can see one of the rarest options fitted to a Mini of this era, the twin panoramic sunroofs. These flood the cabin with natural light, giving an incredibly airy and open feel that really sets this car apart. Now, as we step back and move around to the rear of the car, you can see the twin centre-mounted sports exhausts, which not only look fantastic, but deliver that unmistakable Cooper S soundtrack. You'll also notice the rear parking sensors neatly integrated into the bumper, making low-speed manoeuvring and parking nice and straightforward. The rear design is finished off with the subtle roof spoiler and bold Cooper S detailing, giving the car a sporty, well-balanced look from every angle. Wow, doesn't this car look absolutely stunning? The bodywork is in fantastic condition, reflecting the low mileage. And as we move back towards the interior, the seats are equally impressive, showing minimal wear and having clearly been well cared for. This is a fun, high-spec Mini Cooper S in excellent condition with very low mileage. It's been fully inspected, drives superbly, and is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. At Knights Motor Company, we take pride in quality. Every car undergoes a thorough 130-point approved used car check before it's offered for sale, and comes with a 6-month award-winning nationwide warranty for your peace of mind. Plus, all our vehicles are ULEZ compliant. So why not give us a call? We'd love the chance to show you this fantastic car and let you experience it on a test drive.